Welcome to CompanyIQ, brought to you by MyLogic. Today, we will be learning how to navigate the user profile and settings. The profile icon is a constant part of the CompanyIQ screen. It allows you to navigate to My Search, My Alerts, Knowledge Bank Enterprise Sharing, My Peers List, My Tracker newsfeed, enable the pop-up screen instructions, get help or user guide, and log out. The first three tabs will take you to our research dashboard. On the left menu panel of your research dashboard, you can navigate between My Search, My Peer List, and My Tracker by clicking on the desired tab. If you navigate to My Search, you'll be able to load recent search, saved search saved to your knowledge bank, and your alerts. Keep in mind that search saved to the Knowledge Bank Enterprise Sharing will be visible to anyone within your team, as this tool is meant to share your research with your teammates. Besides every search box, there is a sub-menu that's represented by a vertical dots. Click on one of the sub-menus to have the options of loading the search, editing it, adding it to your stream, saving it, or setting it as an alert. For the other columns, you also have the option of deleting the entry. The next tab is My Peer List tab. You can view our tutorial for Smart Peers feature by clicking on the link below. The last tab on your research dashboard is My Tracker. This allows you to view your tracked search and see any updates that met your search criteria at a given time. It also gives you the option to select between your tracked search and choose between the search made on the disclosure or command ladder modules. Clicking on the profile icon, you can disable pop-up screen instructions. If you access the profile icon from the home page, you can additionally change your password. This tab allows you to change your account password. Fill in the necessary information and select Submit. If you are having trouble navigating the platform, you can also access the help, and you'll be redirected to our CompanyIQ User Guide. Finally, to log out of our CompanyIQ, you can click on the profile icon and then select Logout option. Thank you for watching another of my Logics tutorial. To view more, please select one of the following videos.